Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make papaya and carrot oil for your skin. This is a great combination of fruit and vegetable that is full of vitamin A, C, and beta carotene. So if you want your skin to glow, nourish, and moisturize your skin, continue watching to find out how I make this wonderful oil. Oil, I've already washed the papaya and carrot, so I'll start by grating the carrot. Carrot is rich in vitamin A and C, and it contains beta carotene, which will help to improve your skin complexion. It will also moisturize your skin. Using papaya, so I'm going to cut out the papaya that I'll be using. I'll peel off the skin of the papaya and cut into smaller pieces. I'll be making use of the papaya flesh and the seed because the seed is rich in vitamin C and other minerals. Some of the benefits of papaya is that it will moisturize your skin, clear any skin pigmentation, reduce wrinkles, and also good for treating eczema and some skin condition. It will also help in your skin tightening. I will add all the ingredients into the blender. I will cover the blender and blend into a smooth puree. You don't need to add water while blending, but you can mix it with some oil to help your blender. And carrot oil, I'll be using double boiling method, and I'm going to use sunflower oil because it is light in texture and it is oil that does not block your pores. You can use avocado oil, almond oil, coconut oil, depending on your choice. I will add the blended mixture into the oil, stir to mix properly. I will place the bowl into the boiling water and allow to heat. From time to time, you will stir. The double boiling method is so good if you don't want to use heat to destroy the nutrients in the fruit and vegetables. This method will allow the papaya and carrot extract to mix into the oil when the oil heats. At 15 minutes, I will turn off the heat and allow to cool. When the oil has cooled, I will strain to get the oil. You can use cheesecloth or chiffon cloth to sieve. Press to get out all the oil. When I'm done pressing, I will set aside. You can notice that there are some residue in the oil. This will make this oil not to last long, so I'm going to filter the oil again. I'll be using a new kitchen paper towel to filter the oil. Feel free to use chiffon cloth, cheesecloth. I will allow the oil to filter gently. When I'm done filtering the oil, you can see the residue that I got after filtering the oil. It is ready to be used. You can store in container. For the second method, I'll be boiling it. I've added some oil into the pot. I'll add the blended ingredients. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Then I will mix to combine. I will place the pot on the heat and allow to cook on a low heat. You need to be stirring this occasionally. I'll be stirring the oil occasionally. When you notice that the liquid has dried up, then you turn off the heat and allow to cool before straining the oil. With a sieve, I will strain to get the oil. to get out enough oil as possible. Getting out the oil, you can filter the oil again. This is optional. You can see the difference between the two methods I use. The colors are different. This is the oil that I got from using the double boiling method. Oil in container and use for your skin. This oil is so good. It will help to keep your skin nourished, hydrate, glow, and moisturize and improve your skin complexion. Papaya and carrot oil contain beta-carotene, which will help to improve your skin complexion. It is also rich in vitamin A and C. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.